Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we will be seeing an amazing project near Shankarpalli, and this is a new project, and this project is a little more interesting. So let us see this new venture. And the total venture is about 120 acres, and this is the grand arch of the project. So this is 10 minutes away from Shankarpalli. So it's a 10 minutes drive from Shankarpalli. So this is the entrance. It's very beautifully built up with so many trees around and very good plantation, which is very beautiful to see. And it's only 10,000 rupees per square yard, and it's a mega venture. Looks very beautiful. You can just have a look at that. And there are so many trees around this venture and very good plantation. And it's LRS paid with good clubhouse, with good facilities, cottages, and it's a clear title project and spot registration also. And we have also got a swimming pool, premier clubhouse, gym, spa, swimming pools, and with 33 feet black top roads. You can just have a look at that building, and that's the swimming pool. That's the swimming pool. You can see very beautiful and very spacious project this is. It's a very good opportunity to buy one here. It's a good investment also. You can just have a look from the top. You can see that big road, all greenery around. You can just have a look from the long view of this project. And it's like a resort lifestyle with 100% Vastu. And actually this is an eco-friendly zone, like very much eco-friendly. You have a lot of trees around here. It has also got a good avenue plantation, and it's a garden land with so many fruit bearing trees in this project. That's how it looks. You can see that long road. You can have a look. It's a very big place with all facilities, with all good facilities. Just 10 minutes drive from Shankarpalli. So that's how it looks. And we have also got good meditation zones, children's park, tennis, basketball, cricket, hoop and amphitheater, jogging and cycling place, street lights, drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, horticulture, and we have also got construction and professional security for upkeep the property, and we have got the multi-story luxury clubs and banquet hall, children's park, restaurants, cafeteria, and ultra modern gym, indoor and outdoor games, luxury cottages, swimming pool, and we have got swimming pool for kids and adults also, and also with a very good yoga center. So this was all about the whole project. This was how the total good facilities. You can just have a look of this project. It's very peaceful and very beautiful. It's so many trees. You can just have a look. And 50% of the land has been sold already, and we have got the rest left to purchase. And so let us see the location highlights. It's only 40 minutes drive from Hi-Tech City, 50 minutes drive from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, 10 minutes from Shankarpalli MMTS railway station, and 20 minutes drive from Muttangi Outer Ring Road, and 20 minutes from IC5 Business School, 40 minutes from ISB. So these were the location highlights, and let us see the project highlights. It's a multi-story luxury clubhouse we have got a multi-story luxury clubhouse with a multi-purpose banquet hall, children's play area, and swimming pool with deck and kids pool also, outdoor games, mini supermarket, ultra modern gym, indoor games, luxury cottages, amphitheater, restaurant and cafeteria, and yoga center also. So these were the project highlights. So we have come to this place today via Kokapet, Mokila, and we have reached Shankarpalli, and just 10 minutes from Shankarpalli we can reach to this project. And we have got 20 cottages here, and you will have a free membership also in these cottages, and just for 10,000 rupees square yard, and only limited plots are available now with good bank loan facility, and you can just have a look there. You can have that clubhouse view. It's very beautiful cottages. We have got beautiful cottages. You have more facilities also in these cottages. You will be getting a free membership also. So this is how it looks. We have got 20 cottages, and we will be getting the free membership and with other facilities, and only just for 10,000 rupees per square yard, and that's how it looks. And we have also got the bank loan facilities, so that's how it is. So the interesting part about this place is we are planting the sandalwood trees, and we all know that sandalwood is quite costly, and the oil extracted from these plants is like about 1,25,000 per kg. So we have also planted these beautiful sandalwood trees around this place. So if you have purchased a plot, if you are not constructing a house, we will plant the sandalwood trees, and we can save the plot with this plantation also. So that is the value added point for your plots if you are not constructing any house. So the sandalwood plants would be taking 12 to 15 years to grow. So you can have a good plantation in your open plot. So that's a value added plus point for your plot. So you can get good benefits out of it. So this was the whole project. You can have a look. Almost the work is done with good water pipelines, children's beautiful park with good plantation, flowering trees. There's a lot of good maintenance. You can just have the roads, the blacktop roads have also been approved. It's a very beautiful venture with a very low cost, just for 10,000 rupees square yards, 10 minutes from Shankarpalli. You can just have a look. The work is also going very fast. The roads are so beautifully constructed with good plantation on both the sides of the road. So this is all the plantations. You can just see the plants. Very long plants. With good shade and good oxygen. You can expect an eco-friendly atmosphere. Very peaceful. Very ideal project. And very good opportunity to buy a land. So these are the plants, the sandalwood plants. Very good idea to plant this, because we have got a very good market for the sandalwood plants and the oil of the sandalwood plant in the international market, and we are the good suppliers of the sandalwood in the international markets. India is one of the India is one of the countries who supplies good sandalwood to the other countries in the international market. So this is also one value added plant. This is also one value added point for this project. A lot of plantation has been done around this project. So this is a good thing of this project. So So the sandalwood plantations around, it's a very good idea. You can just see this around the project. Very beautiful project. Have a look at that building. Well planned. The roads are also well planned with good parking space. So this is how it looks, the whole project. That's how it looks. So this is the whole project. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have all enjoyed this beautiful new venture with good plantations and with the sandalwood tree plantation, which is a very good part about this project, which is a very interesting part of this project with sandalwood plantation. I can say I've never heard about the sandalwood plantation being planted in the ventures and plots. I think this is the first sort of project where we can see this sandalwood plantation. So it's a very good idea and it's a very good venture, very beautifully constructed and well planned. So hope friends you all have enjoyed this new project. So thank you so much for watching Telangana Properties Hub. Please like, share and subscribe to our videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.